what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from this end over here, and I'm going to start rolling and pinching and rolling and pinching, because I want it to keep rolling into a nice, even, round, long, skinny roll, because I want it to be where when I cut the cinnamon rolls, and I'm going to make a lot more than I thought I was going to. So this here is so that the cinnamon will stay inside of the bread and not poke out the end. Okay. It's kind of sticking down here. Okay. Oops. See what I mean? Now, what I want to do is I'm going to do half like that and set that aside. And I'm going to have to get a pan, and let's see, I have a pan down here. I have to get one down here. Okay, now I'm just going to butter this real good and around the edges, because I don't want it to stick. I don't want the cinnamon rolls to stick. So that's why I'm putting up quite a bit of butter on here. All right. Let's set that aside. And then you just take and cut and put it in there. Cut. I'm trying to get it all about the same size. And there is a little sugar residue left over, but that's okay because I'm going to incorporate that back into the cinnamon roll in just a few minutes here. My main thing is I want to get the cinnamon rolls inside the pan so they can rise. They look little right now, but they'll get big. It's kind of like the bread, you know, it was a little bitty ball and then it got great big. And that's what we want. That one there's going to be a little one, but that's okay. They're all good. All right. Okay, this is how I'm doing it. I'm just rolling them out. And all right, now I'm going to stick this one here right beside this one here. It'll be a little double treat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to butter the top of the cinnamon rolls. I'll show you what they look like. Okay. And then I'm going to sprinkle the top of them with cinnamon and sugar. And that way they'll have a double layer of it. I definitely want it to be good and buttery and cinnamony and sugary and all that good stuff. Because if I'm going to eat this stuff, I want it to be good. So anyway, all right, well, I'm doing this here. I'm going to go ahead and turn you off, and I'm going to put these in the oven so they can get warm too and rise up, and then I'll cook them. See you later.